This is a video to show you how to do Holt Winter's method without Statpro using the template that I've generated for you. Okay, so let's say I had my original data set. What I did was I went and I did the Holt Winter's method using Statpro and generated this output. I've modified it a little bit to make it easy for you guys to then use this template to do your calculating. Okay, so again, here's your template. It's ready to go. You can put data straight in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the second data set, slightly different, and I want to do Holt Winter's forecasting for it. What I do, just grab this template, this FCAS1 template, and copy it and just paste it. And now just grab my new data and paste it in. Be careful, these guys right here, your final forecasts are a little bit different. I'll show you how to do those afterwards. Okay, let's call this forecast 2. This is for the data set number 2. So I'm going to go grab my data here, copy that, and paste it into this template. Gorgeous. And then, like it says here, copy these cells down. So copy them all the way down, just like with the Holts, until you run out of data. Just like that. And one of them you can keep copying down is the forecasts. I'll show you here. So the forecast one can be copied down one more time step. And then beyond that, like I said, these guys are different formulas in here. Okay. So if we want to forecast into the future, let's forecast 1 year ahead here. So quarters 3 and 4 of 2017 and 1 and 2 of 2018. A little bit sneakier with the Holt Winter's method. Again, this is all mentioned in your book. You take your level plus. Now, if you're 2 time steps beyond the last data, 2 times your trend. And be really careful, you want to grab your previous seasonal. So grab your seasonal from quarter 4 of the previous year. This guy here. And then do the same. Next guy, your level plus. Now you're jumping 3 time steps ahead of your last data value. Again, these are formulas from your book, or just follow what I'm doing for your project. And then if you're in quarter 1 now, grab the seasonal from quarter 1 of the previous year. That's the last seasonal we have for quarter 1. Good. Beautiful. And sorry, I didn't grab the seasonal, I grabbed the forecast. Grab your seasonal from quarter 1. So this guy right here, there we go. Beautiful. Do this one last time for the quarter 2. The level plus now 4 times the trend. We're 1, 2, 3, 4 time steps ahead of the last data we have, and then times that by the quarter 2 seasonal, the last seasonal we had, which is that guy. And there we go. So we forecasted ahead into the future here, 1 full year. This guy, you can just copy the formula down, that's no problem. It's these last 3 here you have to be careful of to do your forecasting ahead. And then last thing here, so I've made all of these error formulas adaptable, so they will grab all the errors you need up to a data of size 3000. So they will auto-calculate for you as you work here in the template. And last thing, if you need to optimize your smoothing constants, so your level, which is your alpha, your trend constant, which is your beta, and your seasonal constant, which is your gamma, if you need to optimize those, we're going to use Solver. It's under the Data tab and Solver. And we're going to go and I'm going to use my RMSC. Again, you could use any of these 3 error measures, grab one of them, and minimize it by changing your alpha, beta, gamma. And add a constraint. So all 3 of these guys need to be less than or equal to 1. And then check off, make them non-negative, click Solve, Click OK, and you're done. That's the best alpha, beta, gamma to make the smallest errors. And here are your future forecasts, and here's your Holt Winter's method.